Anong tawag kapag nagtapon ka ng basura sa dagat? Sagot, pollution. Ano naman ang tawag kapag tinapon mo sa dagat ang mga politikong kurakot? Sagot, solution. Kapag nagsinungaling ka sa congressman o sa senador, kakasuhan ka na ng perjury, may jail term ka pa. Perjury is telling a lie under oath. Pero kapag ang congressman o senador nagsinungaling sa iyo, ginagawa lang nila ang trabaho nila, magkakaroon pa sila ng bagong term. How to tell if a politician is telling the truth? Whenever he's crossing his arms, like this, he might be telling the truth. Whenever he's stroking his chin, like this, he might be telling the truth. Whenever he looks at you straight in the eyes, he might be telling the truth. But when he opens his mouth, he is lying. There was a study on the connection between government employees and the sport they play. Ang paboritong sport daw ng mga entry-level na government employees ay basketball. Entry-level, meaning to say they start at the bottom. Kapag lower management position na, paborito daw nila ay bowling. Kapag upper management naman, paborito daw nila ay tennis. Ang paborito daw na sport ng mga high-level government officials is golf. The study then made this conclusion. Kapag tumataas ang posisyon mo sa gobyerno, lumiliit ang goals mo. May tatlong doktor, pinag-usapan kung anong pasyente ang pinakamadaling operahan. Sabi ng una, electricians, everything inside them is color-coded. Sabi ng pangalawang doktor, librarians, everything inside them is in alphabetical order. Sabi ng pangatlo, politiko ang pinakamadali. They have no brains, they have no guts, they have no hearts, and they have no balls. Top 3 na pinakasinungaling na trabaho sa Pilipinas. I will start with number 3 and then 2 and 1. Number 3, beautician. Sasabihin nilang maganda ang customer kahit hindi naman talaga. Number 2, konduktor ng jeep. Sasabihin niya na dalawa pa ang kasya, kahit puno na. And last, and the most prolific of all these liars, number 1, politiko. That's the end of the story.